Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl.
Hey my treasures, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be trying the viral Kool-Aid pineapples. And so before we get into the nitty gritty of this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you know the next time a top 5 video will drop. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Being Treasured. Let's get into these pineapples. So with the pineapples, I did get 3 containers of pineapples with 3 different flavors. So I did get Tropical Punch is one of them. This is the pineapple. They already come in containers, so I didn't have to, get a picture and do all that extra stuff. So they have their own container. Second flavor is grape. Of course, I have the sugar, because who's not using sugar in their Kool-Aid? Okay then. And then the last flavor, which I am going to be using, is the blue raspberry lemonade. Let's go ahead and get into it. I am so excited because I've been seeing this going on actually YouTube more than I have TikTok, but I haven't been on TikTok in a good minute. But I'm just super excited. But anyways, let me go ahead and put some water in here. So this is how much water I put in there because I want them to be covered all the way from the top. Now this is the Tropical Punch that I'm going to be trying first. I have not, when I tell y'all I have not made Kool-Aid in years. Honestly, I don't even think I ever made Kool-Aid, but other people has made Kool-Aid for me. So, oh my gosh, it's already doing something. Like, I don't know if you can see that. But it's already starting to change colors. That's so exciting. It's like a freaking science experiment. Now I'm gonna try the sugar. Woo, I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Let me just break this off. Shake it. Oh my gosh, I hope it doesn't go everywhere. I kind of want to try it already. Okay, I think that's enough. Let me see. You know what? I think I'm gonna try them each first, before and then after when they're cold. So yes, I think that's what I am going to do. Get a fork. Okay. Try. Oh my gosh. Look. I need more sugar. That's what I need because it don't even taste right. It's not bad. I can definitely taste the Kool-Aid, but I need more sugar. Seriously, need more sugar, like a lot of sugar, because it was just, I don't even know how to describe it. It just, I got my bracelets really quick. Wait, let me rinse my hands off because I don't want to stain them either. Let's see. not good. That kind of just slap, but it definitely would taste better cold. So I am gonna let these sit in the refrigerator for 3 hours. It's 5:52 right now. So let me go ahead and put this into the refrigerator. I did add some more sugar because it was still a little bit bitter. On to the next one. Let me clean up my area because it's a little messy. Okay. Now the next one I'm going to do is the blue raspberry lemonade. This is the one I really wanted for. I really waited for because this is the one I really wanted. So start off with the water. Now to grab my packet. Got some of that juice on the other one. And I'm not even gonna speak on it because I don't want it to happen. Just speaking on it almost happened. Okay. Oh my gosh, that is such a pretty color. That's so pretty. It smells good. It smells real good. I feel like, yeah, blue's gonna take a little minute for it to die. Red always takes so well. But I'm loving this already. This is super fun. Okay, now I'm gonna pour my sugar. I'm not even gonna stir it this time. Apparently I need lots and 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 lots of sugar. Okay, so this is what the blue one looks like. See, it's so pretty. Now, time to get the shake in. Okay, I need to do a taste test. They're not as good, you know, they ain't gonna take as much. But this is what it looks like. More sugar. Oh my gosh, I'm out of sugar. I'm out of sugar. So I may only be able to do just these two because I'm out of sugar. Because this right here, and then it doesn't help y'all that the pineapples are sour. So that definitely do not help at all. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like seriously. And when I'm doing this, I can feel it like push it down at the bottom when I'm shaking it. Whew, it's a workout. Because it's kind of heavy. I just want to taste to see if it's sweet enough in the beginning when I'm first trying to taste it. Oh my gosh, this blue is so pretty. That's better. Pineapples are so sour, but this is good. This is good. I'm sorry, y'all. This is good. I like this one better than the red one. Alright, so I'm gonna put this one in the refrigerator as well. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all in 3 hours. I said at 5:52 or 6:03. So I'm gonna do it at 8:52 still. So I'll see y'all there. Sorry, it is 8:08. and I'm ready to taste it. It's been long enough hours since I made them, so I'm about to get them out. This is the tropical punch. This is the blue raspberry lemonade. This is the grape. Tropical punch, blue raspberry lemonade, grape. And it's time to try them. What did I do with my fork? It's right here. Rinse it off and rinse it off again. I'm so excited. Okay, they're cold. They're cold. They're cold. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant right now. Like, look. Look how vibrant it is. Like, seriously. Alrighty. Tropical punch. Oh my gosh. That's good. That's good. That's really good. I like that a lot. Okay, blue raspberry lemonade. To inform you guys, I like almost anything that's blue. If it's a blue drink, I'm gonna get it. So this one didn't do as well as red, because red just different. Especially with the dye. But I love the color. Oh, yeah. I like that one too. It's a little sour. But this, I like this one. Now this one don't have any sugar. So I'm kind of scared to see what it tastes like. Because I didn't test this one out at all, like how I did the other ones. So, woo! It smells like grape though. Look how dark it is. Okay. I don't like grape, but it ain't bad. It's a little sour, but you can definitely taste the grape in it. Now, if these was to set in for a day, oh yeah, that would be even better. But they are good. It's this. I like this. I like this new viral Kool-Aid pineapples. Y'all should go ahead and try it if y'all haven't tried it at all. Again, tropical punch and blue raspberry lemonade is my favorite. And so that will conclude today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed me making the Kool-Aid pineapples. It was fun. It's like a little science experiment. I really enjoyed it. And so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you know the next time a top flight video will drop. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Being Treasured. And tell me which one y'all rather try. Like, which one was y'all favorite just by looking at it? They look pretty cool to me. But thank you so much for watching this video, my treasures. Until next time, bye.